Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my channel today. I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you on how to make this beautiful crochet motif. I will be using this white yarn and this 2.5mm crochet hook. So the motif is made up of 3 rows in total. To start with the center, we're going to need to chain 8. So I hold my yarn like this, crochet hook like this, just twist like this and grab the bottom of it like that. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We're now going to go ahead and slip stitch into that first space there, and that's the center of our circle. Row 1. For row 1 we're going to chain 3 and we're going to double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Got 4 double crochets in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, because that first one always counts as 2. So now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to place 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull your work to the right just a little bit to make more space, because we need 6 clusters in total and we only have 3 so far. So another 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more cluster of 4 double crochets. 2, 3, 4. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and single crochet at the end of that first cluster to just finish off our first round. So that's round 1 complete. Row 2 is pretty similar to row 1. So we're going to add single crochets in these chain 5 spaces that we've made. So to start off row 2, go ahead, chain 3. We're going to start off by placing 4 double crochets in the same space. For the first one we're going to do 3 because that first one always counts as 2 double crochets. So we've got 3 double crochet. Now we've got 4 double crochet. We're going to go ahead and chain 3 next, and we are going to do a single crochet in that chain space there. Chain 3, and we're going to put 4 double crochets on top of the 4 double crochets that we've done in our previous round. So 2, 3, 4, chain 3. We're going to do a single crochet in that space there. Chain 3, 4 double crochets on top of the 4 double crochets that we already have in place. Like that. Chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and 4 double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochets in that cluster that's already there. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and now we're going to go ahead, slip stitch 3 chains up. That's now round 2 complete. Round, we are going to go ahead, chain 2. Now we're still working on these clusters, but we want to make them pointy, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Go ahead, skip that first chain and start to double crochet, but we're not going to complete the double crochet. We've now got 3 hooks. Pull through 2, don't pull through the last one. Start to do your next double crochet, pull through 2, do not pull through any further, and that last double crochet, pull through only 2. So we should have 4 chains on our hook. Now we're going to pull through all of them. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to single crochet like that. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet in that next space. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to combine these clusters again. So start the double crochet, pull through 2. Next double crochet, pull through only 2. Next double crochet, pull through only 2. Next double crochet, pull through only 2. This time we've got 5 chains on our hook. Pull through all of them. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in the next space, single crochet, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to do the same with this cluster space here. Start the single crochet, only pull through 2. Start the next double crochet, pull through only 2. Next double crochet, pull through only 2. And the same thing for the final one, pull through only 2. Should have 5 chains on our hook, pull through all of them. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go ahead and do this cluster. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 chains on the hook, pull through all of them. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's work on that next cluster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 chains on the hook, pull through all of them. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's work our last cluster. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through all of them. chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, and finally chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to finish our work off we're going to slip stitch right at the top here. And that's our beautiful motif complete. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe, like and comment. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye. Bye.